Thank you. I'm aware that we are the last presenter today. Fortunately, our presentation is short but very interesting. Made even the former Swiss transport minister worried. But we helped him to sleep a bit better in the nights. In my presentation today, I have the pleasure to show how a monitoring software called Monsus helps in traffic management during renovation. And to our best knowledge, such monitoring system has never been deployed, so the development was in many areas pioneer work. Please consider this the outline for the next. Fedro figured out that if the section would be closed during the renovation, there would be 85,000 additional cars driving through the idyllic town of Luzern. Now, that doesn't sound very realistic or fun, so it was decided that the section must stay open for the traffic during the daytime. The works can be done only during the night. Construction works include surface structures, street coating, wastewater drains, and new emergency exits. Also, all operations and safety equipment will be replaced or upgraded, including energy supply and lighting, ventilation, traffic control systems and signs, fire alarms, video cameras, and emergency telephones. Now, how can Monsus software be helpful? The system was designed for two main purposes. For planning of the works and shifts in advance, there are more than 60 contractors taking part of the renovations. And secondly, for monitoring and controlling the progress of works at different construction sites during the night cycle or the weekend cycle. Now, all these installation and equipment are defined in Monsus system under three categories. A being the most critical category. And then four system states were defined. Green is normal, yellow is tolerable, orange undesirable, and red is non-tolerable. Last but not least, it was defined which system states the three categories can have, as seen in this matrix. Each state other than normal would initiate a predefined corrective action. Only the most critical equipment group or category A can have the non-tolerable state which would prevent the tunnel from opening, and that's what we want to avoid. Now, this illustration shows the information flow in Monsus. The site supervisors at different construction sites sent their status report during the night to the system concerning this equipment and works. Alarm center monitors situation in real time, and if the tunnel opening in the morning is at risk, the safety and operations representative would gather together a special task force to decide what to do. Now let's put this communication process in a timeline. As I mentioned before, the cycle starts in the afternoon with the meeting to make sure everything is ready for the next closing cycle. At 8 p.m. road is closed, the construction released, machines brought to the construction site, and the works can start at 9 o'clock in the evening. When the construction is released, the Monsus sends SMS messages to the core team for information and also automatically turns the traffic light to green at the entrance of the construction site. Now, during the night, the site supervisors send their reports using iPhone, and delayed reports initiate automatically a reminder SMS. Now, 4 or 4:30, the works are stopped, the construction sites cleared up, and the roadblocks are removed, and so the normal traffic can flow again at 6 o'clock. Now, this is enough for the technical details. I think we can have a look at the film produced by Fedro, demonstrating the closing and opening process for the City Ring construction site. These are waiting for the green light at the waiting area. That's when the road stops, so the road blocks are set up. The light turns to yellow. At 8:30, light is green at the construction site. The machines can flow in. It's 9 o'clock, works can start. 4 o'clock, cleaning up the site, taking the machines out. now between 5 and 6 streets are cleaned, and at 6 o'clock the street is open to the traffic. Monsus has been successful in detecting problems as early as possible. Only in 4 cases has the tunnel opening been delayed in the morning, but never more than 15 minutes. Despite the initial skepticism, iPhones have been appreciated tools due to many advantages they have. Monsus has demonstrated that such a monitoring system is very helpful and may represent a new way of conceiving safe traffic management during renovation work. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a great evening in the beautiful city of Helsinki then.
Thank you, Mr. Rami Molander.